Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your YouTube channel with YouTube step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your YouTube account. Navigate to your channel by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. On your channel page, click on the Customize Channel button. This will take you to the YouTube Studio where you can manage your channel settings. Focus first on the Basic Info tab. Ensure your channel name is clear and reflects your content. Add a channel description that outlines what viewers can expect. Incorporate relevant keywords to enhance discoverability in search results. Next, upload a compelling channel banner. Your banner should be visually appealing and highlight your brand. Make sure it meets YouTube's size requirements for optimal display. Then, create a channel logo or profile picture that stands out. This should be recognizable even at smaller sizes. Now, head over to the Branding tab. Upload a channel watermark that can help promote your brand on videos. Next, let's move to the Content tab. Organize your videos into playlists to improve navigation. Playlists help users find related content easily and increase watch time. After that, focus on video optimization. When uploading videos, use descriptive titles that contain keywords. Craft engaging video descriptions to provide context and further details. Add relevant tags to help categorize your content. Customize your thumbnails by designing eye-catching images that entice clicks. Now, let's delve into the audience section. Understand your audience demographics to tailor your content effectively. Utilize YouTube Analytics to track viewer engagement and preferences. From there, adjust your content strategy based on analytics data. Visit the Monetization tab to explore earning opportunities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.